Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to share a contact to another person on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on anything, or your normal messages, showing the number and the name of the person of the contract at the same time. So let's get started. Now you're going to open your call here. When you're here now, click on your contact. When you click on your contact, go and search for the contact you want to share. Now let me see, I want to share this contact now. Let me show my tab and click on the contact you want to share. You can see now, click on these three dots, click on it, then you click on share. Then is it share as a free card or as a test? Click on share as a test. Now click on where you want to share it. You can see, now look at this is how it's going to do. Name and the number at the same, and you can copy it here, copy it, and you can paste it to exactly where you want to share it to, and you can share it directly. Just click on the platform or the social media you want to share it to, and this is it. And find the person you want to share the contact to, click on share and click on it. You can see it's going to make the name and the phone number at the same time. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the subscription please, subscribe, it helps a lot. Thank you, and drop a comment and like. Thank you guys.